Okay, so you want to hold on to the resistance band, lay it on the floor. Say you're going to use your right arm, so then you put the left one on the floor. Now you got to use your back foot for this exercise. Use the opposite foot of the arm you're using. So we're going to use the right arm, we use the left foot, and it's in the back. You step on the cord, put most of your pressure in the back foot. Go ahead and put your hand by your side, extend your arm up all the way. Now, you want to keep your elbow in as much as you can, okay? Come down to a 90-degree angle, keeping the wrist straight. You don't want to sway it back and forth, and tucking the elbow in. I know it's going to be hard, it's a tough exercise, but you want to keep that elbow as close to your head as you can. Go ahead and blow out on the way up, breathe in on the way down, and squeeze that tricep. Abs are nice and tight, she's not swaying back and forth, her arm is steady, her neck is straight, she's looking straight. Look at how her arm is more or less in the center of your head. The more you keep it in the center of your head, the better, but everybody has different shoulder tightness. Find your comfort zone, and that's where I want you to do it. Make sure when you come down, it's a 90-degree angle. Your elbow meets your wrist, and then you come up and you pop it out and you squeeze that tricep.